welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Iphie and you're highly welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so immediately. Okay, so on today's video I'll be teaching us how to make oil-free beans pottage. Okay, how to make jollof beans, let me put it that way, without adding palm oil or any form of oil. Like, no oil is present in the beans, and I'm sure that so many people will be eager to learn how to cook beans this way. It's different from whatever you've learned anywhere or seen anywhere about making beans. So sit back and let's cook beans. Okay guys, so this is the beans I'm going to be using to cook. I'd already picked it, removed the stones, the stand, and everything that is not supposed to be there. And it's currently past 2 a.m. here now, and I have an early morning. I have meetings in the morning, yeah. So basically, I've been shooting some videos today, so that is why I'm still up this late. So what I'm going to be doing, I've not tried this method of soaking beans overnight, yeah. So because I don't want to start cooking this and I'll fall asleep or something. Moreover, I learned that if I soak it overnight, it's going to save me some cooking time. That means I won't have to cook it longer. So I'll be saving gas. And as you guys know, gas is expensive now. Plus, if you are the type that beans gives heartburn, I think they said soaking it overnight will remove the gas. So you can try this method. This is my first time of trying this method. So I'll pour water into it and cover it, yeah, and I'll continue tomorrow morning. Okay, so guys, this is what the beans looks like this morning. So I'm going to wash it and start cooking it, yeah. So I've washed the beans and I'll start cooking. So the beans is done now, so I'm going to go all ahead and add some salt, very little salt. And after adding salt, I'll add my fresh tomatoes. If you don't have fresh tomato, you can decide to skip this part, okay? So while I let the fresh tomato cook, I would also add ground ginger and garlic. Yes, I cook beans with ginger and garlic. Ground ginger and garlic. Yeah. So I'll be adding is dry fish. If you don't have dry fish, you can skip, yeah. Then after that, I'll be adding my ground habanero pepper and crayfish, yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna be adding is no chicken cubes, yeah. So I'm going to stir this so that all the ingredients are mixed together. You don't have certain ingredients blocking it. Guys, you can see that the color is even nice, even without me adding palm oil. So the next thing, I added a little water to it because I need all the ingredients to incorporate. So I had to add a little water and stir it. So the next thing I'm adding is my onions, yeah. So after adding onions, I'm also going to give it a quick stir and let it cook for 2 minutes before I add the next ingredients. And before I add the final ingredient, I'm going to make a passionate appeal, and that is that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I'm begging you, kindly sub so that you encourage me to continue to shoot this video. So I'm going to be adding the final ingredient, which is my green. If you noticed, I also reduced the heat so that it doesn't burn. Okay, so you should do that as well. Aside the fact that I don't want it to burn, I also don't want the flavors from the other ingredients I've added to be lost away, to be carried away by heat. You understand? So the final ingredient that I'm going to be putting now, I'll just sprinkle it and turn off the fire, is your green bell pepper. Yeah, your green bell pepper. That's the last thing I'm going to be adding to these beans. So you see, so I'm turning it off now. I've turned it off. I'll cover it and dish this now and serve it. I wish you were here to perceive and relish the aroma of the green pepper in this food. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. For those of you that are still here, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.